The wonderful world of jazz. Do you hear that? It's a special kind of music called jazz. Lots of people all over the world love to listen to jazz. Jazz is like a musical surprise. The musicians make up new tunes right on the spot. This is called improvisation. Jazz also has a fun, bouncy beat. Sometimes the music has a little hop and a skip in it. This is called syncopation. Jazz music started a long time ago in the southern part of the United States. It came from the songs of African American people. At first, jazz was played on instruments like the trumpet, saxophone, and piano. Soon, jazz music traveled up the big Mississippi River on boats. More and more people got to hear it. In the 1920s and 1930s, big bands became popular. These were large groups of musicians playing a fun, danceable kind of jazz called swing. Over time, new kinds of jazz were created, like bop and cool jazz. Some people liked the new sounds, and others liked the old ones. Today, musicians mix jazz with all sorts of other music, like rock and even rap. Even though some of the first jazz musicians are not with us anymore, new musicians are playing jazz every day. The wonderful world of jazz will be here for us to enjoy for a long time.